everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with the bed cover. The bed cover that changed everything. Once upon a time in a cozy little apartment, there was a bedroom that lacked a personal touch. The bed, though comfortable, was dressed in a dull plain shade. That was until the day I discovered Amazon stunning bed cover. So guys, I searched high and low for the perfect bed cover. I wanted something that reflect my personality, something that could make my bedroom feel like a sanctuary. And then I show it a gorgeous abstract design pattern bed cover that spoke to my soul. The color and the pattern, the softness is what it was love at first sight. A new bed cover, my bedroom was transformed. The room felt cozy, inviting, and uniquely, and I felt like my sleeping on a cloud every night. The bed cover didn't just change my bedroom, it changed my mood and my sleep and my entire outlook on life. I feel more relaxed, more inspired, and more connected to my personal space. So guys, that's the power of beautiful bed cover. It's not just a piece of fabric, it's a key to unlocking your personal style, your comfort, and your happiness. Find your perfect bed cover on Amazon today and transform your bedroom into a sanctuary. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe guys. If you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.